Oh, it's official. Officially gone. So now I can continue on my cleaning adventure. Which I don't remember if I posted the first part of this or not. But, so that way, I don't remember if you guys like this kind of shit or not, but you're gonna get to witness it anyway. So if you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. Ooh, nice. Yep, covered in axle grease. God damn it, first thing in the video. There's my other sweatshirts. And I do promise there is going to be more videos. It's just a matter of me. I'm a little self-conscious on recording shit. So I don't like to be around other people. But now with me getting rid of my biggest video producer and my fucking, or one I make videos on the most, or was going to, and now I'm down my sister's car until I put the transmission into it. I'm gonna have to figure out something else. Probably some lawnmower stuff, probably some product stuff. Nothing like tools and shit. Nothing too crazy. Maybe I'll start working back on this, which I kind of plan on doing. It's my one tech's a bike guy, so he might actually be able to help me get this back up and running. Probably gonna start working on tearing this Honda motor that's over here back down again, and maybe even figure out if I can find the parts for this transmission. I'll do a little bit of a series on that. But I know everything slowed down. It was supposed to pick back up. I was supposed to get a day off here soon, but that ended up not working out the way it was supposed to. So now I just gotta manage the store by myself. Again. Thanks, corporate. They promise one thing, and then I get them to come, and then you don't give them what they promised them, and then they get pissed off, and then they leave. That and special thank you to life, because life can fuck you and you'll know it. Fuck, I left my broom. time and a little bit of energy, we might have this workshop back to where it's supposed to be. Supposed to be for my car for winter time, but then I got the other set. And I just haven't cared to get rid of them. For the first little while, I think my new plan is gonna be, I'm gonna reorganize this garage, clean it up, reorganize it. I'm gonna work probably at some of my times where I'm not as busy, like after work and such, depending on if mom's car's here or not. See what I can get done, because at this point, this is gonna be a new series, new garage. I'm gonna pause you right there. Time to go get my car. I didn't need my keys. Okay, now we can go get my car. Still gotta kind of figure out exactly how it's gonna work. There should be enough room as long as she goes over the side a little bit more, until I can get this cleared out a little more. Good enough for now. And there we have it. Spot for the Rex, tire stacks, spot for the bike, spot for the lawnmower. Still that whole pile of mess that needs to get cleaned the fuck up. This whole pile that needs to get reorganized and cleaned the fuck up. But we can fit 2 cars in here again. My car and whatever else we have to. Race Bowl is back in business, baby.